Welcome my dear friends. In this video we'll discuss Maslow's hierarchy of needs. I'll explain all the 5 stages with examples as an individual or an organization. My dear friend, Mr. Abraham Harold Maslow was an American psychologist who was best known for creating Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Maslow's hierarchy of needs is a motivational theory in psychology represented by a 5-stage model of human needs, often depicted as hierarchical levels within a pyramid. This motivational theory is very famous. It is taught in business management schools, various training programs, adapted in industries for motivation of their employees, and it is applicable for any human being in their life cycle. My dear friend, Maslow in 1943-1954 stated that people are motivated to achieve certain needs and some needs take precedence over others. Our most basic need is for physical survival, and this will be the first thing that motivates our behavior. Once that level is fulfilled, the next level up is what motivates us, and so on. My dear friend, Stage 1, physiological needs. We need food, water, clothing, sleep and shelter. These are the basic bare necessities for anyone's survival. To fulfill this need, we need money. So we take up employment, we take work so that we get wages and we can fulfill or we can start a small business, anything, so that these needs are fulfilled, my dear friend. These are the most basic needs. Next stage is safety needs. Once an individual's physiological needs are satisfied, that is food, shelter, clothing, that needs are satisfied, the needs for security and safety become salient. For example, emotional security, financial security, that is employment, social welfare. Once we take up a job, we wish to see that there is a job security, or we become a permanent employee of that organization, or whatever job we take up, we try to ensure that there should be some savings so that our medical needs, all needs are fulfilled. Also, we look for law and order, freedom from fear, social stability, poverty, health and well-being. That is safety against accidents and injury, my dear friend. The third stage, social needs, that is belonging and love. Belongingness refers to a human emotional need for interpersonal relationships, appreciating connectedness and being part of a group. My dear friend, physiological needs and safety needs, these two needs are basic needs. Stage 3, social needs, and the stage 4, esteem. Stage 3 and 4 are the psychological needs of a human being, my dear friend. Now stage 4, esteem needs. What is esteem? Esteem needs are the 4th level in Maslow's hierarchy and include self-worth, accomplishment, and respect. Maslow's classified esteem needs into two categories. One, esteem for oneself, that is dignity, achievement, mastery, independence, and the other one, that is the desire for reputation or respect from others, that is status, prestige. My dear friend, the fifth stage, the highest level of Maslow's hierarchy, self-actualization needs. It refers to the realization of person's potential, self-fulfillment, seeking personal growth and peak experience. My dear friend, now I'll give examples of this Maslow's hierarchy of needs as an individual or as an organization when you work as an employee. First level, physiological. Individual needs is food, shelter, clothing. Next level is safety, saving for physical and economic security. Social, for individual wish to have love, affection and friendship in their society. As an individual's esteem, maintaining a status in society. Self-actualization, as an individual, achievement of self-aspiration. That is, whatever they want to become, they should achieve that level. My dear friend, the organizational perspective as an employee, physiological need. We take up employment. So first we see what is the salary, whether we will be able to survive or not. Once we get that, then look for job security, medical facilities and other facilities, PF, gratuity like that for safety purpose. As a social, as an employee, cordial relations in informal organization. Within the organization, there are many informal groups and we want to mix so that we are recognized as a social human being, social employees. Esteem in organization, promotions, special status or title. Then self-actualization for employee, achievement of goals. That's the final, my dear friend. My dear friend, various companies, they adapt this model. As an on-passive example, employees are paid a good amount of salary. Then there is a job security, there are various facilities, medical facilities, schooling facilities, subsidized schooling, it is adapted, and there are many benefits. As a social, there are various departments, and in that department people are recognized and there is a very cordial relationship, esteems. There are various reward and recognition systems. Already you have seen that iPhones was gifted to the deserving employees, car was gifted, and my dear friend, this is not only getting gifts, it is gives a social status in the company, as well as since OnPassive is a global company, all these achievements are uploaded as a video, and all over the globe people are seeing that, and so that very good recognition. Also, people are motivated and they are working for the self-actualization so that they achieve the goal. As a founder upon passive, people have taken the foundership positions from all social strata. Many people have taken for their physiological needs so that they get the sustainable income. Also, many people they have taken this founder position as a second source of income, because nowadays after COVID, people have realized that we should have their various streams of incomes. So this will give a safety. Even who has taken up just to get a income, they will also covered under this safety. Also, many people they are taking the foundership as a social, to get a social status, and many people have achieved that esteem, maintaining status in society. Once the companies grows, many people income level will also grow, and they will have a status in a society. They will be recognized as a founder, and it is a very, very rare position, my dear friend, rare opportunity, self-actualizations. Once they get the sustainable income, their all needs are fulfilled, they will do many social activities to help the society, giving back to the society, my dear friend. That's all in this video, my dear friend. Thanks a lot for active watching.